Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. Today I will discuss fourth and the last part of our series 150 most expected viruses MCQs. Without wasting time, let's start. Which of the following statements are true about the peplomers? It is an individual unit of capsids. It is a spike-like projection on the enveloped viruses. It is a projection on the viral membrane. It is a spike-like projection on the capsids. Correct answer is it is a spike-like projection on the enveloped virus. Peplomers are the spike-like projection on the enveloped viruses. An icosahedral capsid consists of hexagonal capsomers, pentagonal capsomers, triangular capsomers, both A and B. Correct answer is A and B. An icosahedral capsid consists of both hexagonal capsomers as well as pentagonal capsomers. Which of the following has a complex symmetry? T4 phage, adenovirus, influenza virus, all of the above. Correct answer is T4 phage. T4 phage has complex symmetry. The viral envelope is made up of proteins, glycoproteins, lipids and proteins, all of the above. Correct answer is lipids and proteins. Viral envelope is made up of lipids and proteins. Which of the following is a helical virus? TMV, T4 phage, pox virus, herpes virus. Correct answer is TMV. TMV is a helical virus. Which of the following statements are true about the viruses? Free living, obligate parasites, both free living and parasites, none of the above. Correct answer is obligate parasites. Viruses are the obligate parasites. A fully formed infectious viral particle is called virion, viroid, capsid, virusoid. Correct answer is virion. A fully formed infectious viral particle is called virion. What is the protein coat of the virus called? Capsid, nucleic, capsomer, outer envelope. Correct answer is capsid. Capsid is the protein coat of virus. Which of the following statements are true about the tobacco mosaic virus? TMV, RNA virus, DNA virus, bacteriophage, single-stranded DNA or double-stranded DNA. Correct answer is RNA viruses. TMV, tobacco mosaic viruses are the RNA viruses. The shape of the tobacco mosaic virus is rod shape, oval shape, cuboidal shape, spherical shape. Correct answer is rod shape. Shape of tobacco mosaic virus is rod shape. Viruses that attack bacteria are called virophage, lysophage, bacteriophage, none of the above. Correct answer is bacteriophage. Bacteriophage are the viruses that attack bacteria. The T4 phage is called single-stranded DNA phage, single-stranded RNA phage, double-stranded DNA phage, double-stranded RNA phage. Correct answer is double-stranded DNA phage. The T4 phage is called double-stranded DNA phage. Bacteriophages that induce bacterial cell lysis are called viroids, lysogenic phages, virulent phages, temperate phages. Correct answer is virulent phages. The bacteriophages that induce bacterial cell lysis are called virulent phages. The virus with the smallest genome is mimivirus, circovirus, herpes virus, rabies virus. Correct answer is circovirus. The virus with the smallest genome is circovirus. Infectious RNA particles without the protein coat are called prion, virion, viroid, virusoid. Correct answer is viroid. Infectious RNA particles without the protein coat are called viroids. The spike-like projections seen on the outer surface of enveloped viruses are called viroids, proteomes, peplomers, capsomers. Correct answer is peplomers. Peplomers are the spike-like projections seen on the outer surface of enveloped viruses. Viral genome attached to the bacterial genome is termed as lysogeny, prophage, lytic phase, virulent phage. Correct answer is prophage. Viral genome attached to the bacterial genome is termed as prophage. Which of the following are the main functions of capsids? Determines the antigenic specificity of the virus, protect genetic material from nucleus attack, both A and B. Correct answer is none of these. These are not the functions of capsid. Which of the following disinfectant is effective against viruses? Hydrogen peroxide, hypochlorite, formaldehyde, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. All the three disinfectants are effective against viruses. Viruses largely lack metabolic machinery of their own to generate energy or to synthesize protein, carbohydrate, alcohol, all of these. Correct answer is protein. Viruses lack metabolic machinery of their own to generate energy or to synthesize protein. Reverse transcriptase is a useful enzyme to have when an RNA virus converts its RNA to DNA, there is no host cell present, nutrients are scarce, spikes are forming in the new virus. Correct answer is an RNA virus converts its RNA to DNA. Then only the reverse transcriptase enzyme is useful. The sequence of nucleic acid in a variety of viruses and the viral host will find more similarities among different viruses than between viruses and their host, among different viral hosts than among different viruses, among different viral hosts then between viruses and their host, between viruses and their host, then among different viruses. Correct answer is between viruses and their host, then among different viruses. Usually viruses are separated into several large groups based primarily on nature of the host, nucleic acid characteristics, capsid symmetry, diameter of the virion or nucleocapsid. Correct answer is nature of the host. Usually viruses are separated into several large groups based primarily on the nature of the host. The first step in infection of a host bacterial cells by a phage is adsorption, absorption, penetration, replication. Correct answer is adsorption. The first step in the infection of a host bacterial cell by a phage is adsorption. Which of the following viruses have not been associated with human cancer? Hepatitis C virus, hepatitis B virus, varicella zoster virus, herpes simplex virus type 2. Correct answer is varicella zoster virus. It is not associated with the human cancer. The viral nucleocapsid is the combination of genome and capsid, capsid and spikes, envelope and capsid, capsomer and genome. Correct answer is genome and capsid. The viral nucleocapsid is a combination of genome and capsid. Edward Jenner began inoculating humans with material from dash lessons. Smallpox, avian pox, cowpox, chickenpox. Correct answer is cowpox. Edward Jenner began inoculating humans with material from cowpox lessons. The viruses in an attenuated vaccine have no genome, continue to replicate, are usually larger than bacteria, is altered with chemicals. Correct answer is continue to replicate. The viruses in an attenuated vaccine continue to replicate. Enveloped viruses have a dash shape, icosahedral, helical, roughly spherical, complex. Correct answer is roughly spherical. Enveloped viruses have roughly spherical shape. The envelope of which of the following viruses is derived from the host cell nucleus? Paramyxoviruses, retroviruses, orthomyxoviruses, herpes viruses. Correct answer is herpes viruses. Envelope of the virus is derived from the host nucleus in herpes viruses. Plant viruses may be cultivated in tissue culture, cultures of separated cells, whole plant, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Plant viruses may be cultivated in tissue culture, cultures of separated cells as well as in whole plant. The oncogene theory refers to how chemicals inactivate viruses when applied, how viruses replicate in the host cell, how viruses transform normal cell into tumor cells, none of these. Correct answer is how viruses transfer normal cells into tumor cells. This is the oncogene theory. In cell culture, measles virus may lead to nuclear pegnosis, transformation of cells, syncytium formation, rounding and aggregation of cells. Correct answer is syncytium formation. In cell culture, measles virus may lead to syncytium formation. A change from lysogeny to lysis is generally induced by ultraviolet light, chemicals, irradiation, all of these. Correct answer is ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light is used for inducing lysogeny to lysis. The viral DNA is removed from the host chromosomes and the lytic cycle occurs. This process is called spontaneous induction, inductive infection, resultant induction, spontaneous infection. Correct answer is spontaneous induction. When the viral DNA is removed from the host chromosome and the lytic cycle occurs, the process is known as spontaneous induction. The lysogenic state is governed by the activity of the regulatory region of the lambda phage genomes. This region is termed as immunity repressor, immunity operon, operon repressor, none of these. Correct answer is immunity operon. The regulatory region of the lambda phage genome is termed as immunity operon. The capsomers consist of a number of protein subunits or molecules called protomers, caproproteins, Procapsid, none of these. Correct answer is protomers. The capsomer consists of a number of protein subunits or molecules. These are known as protomers. In order for a virus to replicate, the capsid must enter the host cell cytoplasm. The host cell must be undergoing mitosis. The genome must be released in the cytoplasm. The host cell must lack a cell membrane. Correct answer is the genome must be released in the cytoplasm. In order for a virus to replicate, the genome must be released in the cytoplasm. Which of the following viruses belongs to the family Flaviviridae? Rubella virus, yellow fever virus, hepatitis C virus, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. All these three viruses belongs to family Flaviviridae. Which of the following viruses show or shows transformation of infected cells? Hepatitis B virus, human T cell lymphotronic virus type 1, Epstein-Barr virus, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. All these three viruses shows transformation of infected cells. Which of the following may affect proteins and nucleic acid but not viruses? Denaturation, enzyme treatment, pressure, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. All of these may affect protein and nucleic acid but not viruses. The viral DNA of the template phage, instead of taking over the functions of cells' genes, is incorporated into the host DNA and becomes a prophage in the bacterial genome, acting as a gene. This happens in lysogeny, spontaneous induction, lytic phase. None of these. Correct answer is lysogeny. This happens in lysogeny. Which of the following statements is not true for viruses? Viruses have been successfully grown in pure cultures in test tubes. All viruses are obligatory intracellular parasites. All viruses have either DNA or RNA as their genetic material. Viruses probably arose from small fragments of cellular chromosomes. Correct answer is viruses have been successfully grown in the pure culture in test tubes. This is the correct answer. Which of the following viruses belong or belongs to family Caliciviridae? Hepatitis B virus, hepatitis D virus, hepatitis E virus, all of these. Correct answer is hepatitis E virus. It belongs to family Caliciviridae. In the simplest capsid, there is a capsomer at each of the 12 vertices. This capsomer, which is surrounded by 5 other capsomer, is termed as penton, polyhedral, icosahedral, helical. Correct answer is penton. When the capsomer is surrounded by 5 other capsomers, it is called as penton. Enzyme neuraminidase is carried by which of the following viruses? Human immunodeficiency virus, Epstein-Barr virus, influenza virus, adenovirus. Correct answer is influenza virus. The enzyme neuraminidase is carried by influenza virus. Lysozyme and endolysin, which will lyse the bacterial cell releasing the mature virions, is present in immediately early phase genes, late genes, delayed early genes, all of these. Correct answer is late genes. Lysozyme releasing in the mature virions is present in late genes. The repressor protein, since the cell is resistant to lysis from externally infecting phase, is also called immunity repressor, immunity operon, operon repressor, none of these. Correct answer is immunity repressor. The repressor protein, since all the cell is resistant to lysis from the external infecting phase, is also called immunity repressor. Which of the following viruses is susceptible to chloroform? Herpes, influenza, measles, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. All these three viruses are susceptible to chloroform. Group E phages have single-stranded DNA, double-stranded DNA, single-stranded RNA, double-stranded RNA. Correct answer is single-stranded RNA. Group E phages have single-stranded RNA. The template phage possesses a gene that codes for a repressor protein which make all the cell resistant to lysis initiated by the prophage, lytic infection by other viruses, both A and B, none of these. Correct answer is both A and B. The template phage possesses a gene that codes for a repressor protein which make the cell resistant to lysis initiated by the prophage and the lytic infection by other viruses. The bacterial viruses having head made up of large capsomers but no tail is morphologically classified as A, B, C or D. Correct answer is D. The bacterial viruses having head made up of large capsomers but no tail is morphologically classified in category D. The state in which the viral genome gets integrated with the bacterial genome is called prophage, prophase, absorption, lysogeny. Correct answer is prophage. The state in which the viral genome gets integrated with the bacterial genome is called as prophage. RNA as a genetic material is found in which of the following? Plasmodium, Staphylococcus, HIV virus, bacteriophage. Correct answer is HIV virus. RNA as a genetic material is found in HIV virus. The sequence of the steps involved in the viral replication are given below. These are the 4 sequence. Arrange the above steps chronologically. First step is the attachment to the host, second is the penetration, third is the uncoating, fourth step is the genome replication and expression. So correct option is option D. Double-stranded RNA is found in smallpox virus, wound tumor virus, tobacco mosaic virus, influenza virus. Correct answer is wound tumor virus. Double-stranded RNA is found in wound tumor virus. Mutation in viruses was first observed by Delbruck and Luria, Pasteur, Plots. Correct answer is Delbruck. Mutation in viruses was first observed by Delbruck. Here we have completed all the 150 most expected viruses MCQs. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.